Open System Interconnection, or OSI model, is a reference model for communication between different users in a network. OSI model consists of 7 layers. Number 1 Physical layer. Number 2 Data link layer. Number 3 Network layer. Number 4 Transport layer. Number 5 Session layer. Number 6 Presentation layer. Number 7 Application layer. In the OSI model, each layer works independently and doesn't depend on other layers. But all layers work together in a network for data transmission. OSI model, every single layer has its own different function. The OSI model describes how data is sent and received in a network. The OSI model also describes how hardware and software work together as layers.